best luxury sports cars for 2024-2023 Mercedes-Benz SL-Class. As automotive enthusiasts eagerly anticipate the latest releases for 2024, the 2023 Mercedes-Benz SL-Class emerges as a distinguished contender among the best luxury sports cars of the year. Renowned for its combination of opulent luxury, advanced technology, and exhilarating performance, the SL-Class continues to uphold its reputation as a symbol of automotive excellence. The 2023 Mercedes-Benz SL-Class makes a bold statement with its sleek and sophisticated design. Its long hood, sweeping lines, and muscular proportions create a timeless aesthetic that exudes both elegance and athleticism. From its iconic grille to its retractable hardtop roof, every detail of the SL-Class showcases Mercedes-Benz's commitment to luxury and performance. Under the hood, the 2023 SL-Class offers a range of powerful engine options, including turbocharged V6 and V8 variants, each delivering breathtaking performance and dynamic acceleration. With its rear-wheel drive configuration and advanced suspension system, the SL-Class provides agile handling and precise steering, ensuring an exhilarating driving experience on both city streets and winding roads. But it's not just about performance. The 2023 Mercedes-Benz SL-Class also sets the standard for luxury and comfort. Its meticulously crafted interior features premium materials, exquisite craftsmanship, and a host of cutting-edge technology features. From the luxurious leather seats to the intuitive infotainment system and advanced driver assistance technologies, every aspect of the SL-Class's interior is designed to enhance the driving experience and provide unparalleled comfort and convenience. As one of the best luxury sports cars for 2024, the Mercedes-Benz SL-Class represents the epitome of automotive excellence, seamlessly blending luxury, performance, and technology in a package that's as exhilarating as it is elegant. Its timeless design, impressive performance, and uncompromising attention to detail ensure that it remains a top choice for drivers who demand the very best from their vehicles. In a market filled with contenders vying for attention, the 2023 Mercedes-Benz SL-Class stands out as a true icon, a symbol of German engineering prowess and automotive innovation. With its blend of luxury, performance, and sophistication, it continues to captivate drivers around the world, solidifying its place among the best luxury sports cars of 2024 and beyond.